Hello and good morning to all my students in Forensic Science 211. Today, I'm going to introduce to each one of you the Forensic Dactyloscopy Laboratory of University of Cebu College of Criminal Justice. My name is Professor Emelio A. Salazar. Now, I'll take you a little tour of this area here. Now, this place is spanking, modern, and very clean. I believe that only University of Cebu has this kind of a very modern and well-equipped forensic dactyloscopy laboratory. This is intended for students who enrolled in Criminalistics 1 or under the new curriculum, that is Forensic Science 211. Now, these are the different equipments, apparatus, and materials that are going to be used by students enrolled in this course. The first one is this, a very large one. This is a comparator equipment which compare latent impression from that of the known fingerprint file. Comparator. And this one here is a fuming chamber, That is a fuming chamber used to develop latent impressions. Latent impressions are fingerprints that cannot be seen by the naked eyes. With the use, of course, of clean high green or eye green. Regardless of what kind of object that may possess the latent impression of a subject. A subject is a person who have left his prints in the crime scene area. Now, we have here the different materials that we are going to use when we develop prints coming from a subject or a suspect. Now, inside there, you have the different colors of the fingerprint powder. You have there the fingerprint ink. And then you have here also the magnetic powder used to develop prints that cannot be reached difficult to reach by a person who is an expert like me. If the latent impression is found underneath or partly hidden in a crime scene area. Then we have there the boxes of the binocular stereo microscope. And you have there the fingerprint file stand. Now, we have here the different designs. This is what is referred to as the rubberized rolling pin used to get even of the fingerprint ink, which is being put here for the inking of the subject. Now, this one is called the portable table. The portable table consists of a drawer of which the materials are being kept. Or if you have some trash, like rugs, you can keep it here and dispose it around. Now, we have here a sample of the magnifying glasses. Now, this one is a medium magnifying glass used to oversee ridges that is difficult to locate because of the tininess of the ridges. We have different designs of this. We have the horseshoe or the horseshoe is used for people with difficulty or having some eyesight problem. Okay. Now let's move here. These are the domes and the domes of the laboratory. You have here the instruction on how to apply remedies when an accident occurs. Then you have the safety procedures in handling chemicals and other substances using to take in fingerprints in both the living and the dead subject, and the rules and regulation pertaining to the use of the laboratory. Now, for my students, I'm going to send you some copies of this in your messenger. Now, these are the sample or exhibits of the different pattern designs, bridges and furrows for the students to learn to know. Now, you have here the working tables. There are actually 4 of them because the forensic dactyloscopy laboratory is intended only of not more than 40 students, especially at this time of pandemic. But anyway, we have this done because we simulate the activity being performed inside this laboratory. Okay? Another graphic exhibits of the different pattern designs. Now we have here the sink. Okay? You have the faucet here. It is abundant with water. Since fingerprint is a very filthy kind of laboratory work in a crime laboratory, so we provide students with the soap and other materials to clean themselves up, both the subject and the operator, to clean their hands here. We always maintain this place to be neat and in accordance with the standard of the school and the jail. Now, during brownouts, we have here the emergency light, as you can see. That is the emergency light when there are brownouts that could happen. But here at University of Cebu, it seldom happens. Okay? Now, this laboratory is equipped with 2 high-definition CCTV camera because we are trying to monitor every movement of the students involved in their laboratory activities. Right? Now, the students working on their applications here to learn about the fingerprints, the technical side, and both the lecture side. This place is very clean, as I said, very neat. It is equipped with air conditioning for them to get the comfort in learning the things that they need to know as a criminology student. Okay. Now, those things that you can see there, those are the work of my former students who already have graduated. Now, we can claim that one later on when the IATF already cleared them to go to the university here to claim their work, because it is also very important because some students who already graduated maybe would like to pursue in a career involving in the scene of the crime operative. I hope that I have enlightened everyone about the introduction of the forensic crime lab, specifically dactyloscopy, the science of fingerprints.